proteins are always very beneficial for our health. They take longer time than carbohydrates to digest, hence make us feel full and helps in losing weight. Everyone knows that the meat, eggs and cheese are very good source of protein, but they contain a lot of fat and cholesterol, which is not good for our health. If you are a vegetarian, then no need to worry because there are various other sources of protein with no fat and cholesterol. Sources of protein for vegetarians: black beans. Black beans are very rich in antioxidants and one of the best in all the other beans and legumes. Per 1/2 cup of these beans contain 8 grams of pure protein. The black color of these beans shows that they are very strong antioxidants and have less quantity of starch than the other beans. Soy milk. The soy milk is very rich in protein and is very helpful in losing weight. If you are looking to reduce belly fat, then add it to your diet now. The soy milk is the best for the vegetarian people as they can't eat meat and eggs. Green peas. Green peas are very rich in protein and fiber. 1 cup of green peas contain around 8 grams of protein in it. Green peas also help in weight loss as they contain leucine, an amino acid crucial to metabolism. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is the best source of protein if you are looking to lose weight fast. Most of the gym trainers asks to eat oatmeal for the better results. Oatmeal has got 3 times more protein than brown rice with less starch and more fiber, magnesium and calcium.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.